To my knowledge, around 45 to 50 Goans are there, which includes the crew members as well as those who are on the boat. But this is a rough estimate. But according to the family members whom I spoke to, they have said that. In fact, I would not like to take names, but they have said that those people who are on the boat, some may be crew members, some may be on the boat as well as passengers, and in fact, they are also regularly in touch with those people, those who are there. And as per the information that I have right now is nobody has been infected with the coronavirus, and in fact they are quite safe. And the embassy also in Jakarta, in Japan, in fact is monitoring the entire situation. So in the days to come, those people will be safely taken back to Goa. Reason, in fact, what I mentioned it to you, in fact, that we are in touch with the Minister for External Affairs, and the Honorable Minister in his recent tweet another 2 days back, he has said that he has already instructed the embassy in Japan to be in touch with those people, and embassy in Japan is monitoring the entire situation. And as far as the knowledge goes, those people, they are quite safe, and they will be definitely rescued from it.